Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
The RF Con error on your Conlog prepaid meter indicates a wireless communication failure between the keypad and the main meter box. This error means your interface unit cannot send or receive data from the meter outside. To fix this, first check the batteries in your remote keypad unit. Weak or dead batteries are the most frequent cause of connection drops. Replace the old batteries with brand new alkaline ones immediately. Ensure the positive and negative ends are aligned correctly inside the compartment. Second, try moving your keypad closer to the actual meter. Thick concrete walls or large metal objects often block the wireless radio frequency signal. If you are too far away, the link will remain broken. Third, try a basic power reset on the device. Remove the batteries or unplug the power cord for at least 60 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for the screen to refresh and quickly sync. Fourth, check for interference from other household electronics. Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and cordless phones can disrupt the signal. Move your keypad to a different room or away from these electronic devices. Fifth, you may need to repair the keypad with the meter. Locate your unique meter number on the physical box outside. Enter the specific pairing code provided in your user manual or by your utility provider. Sometimes pressing the hash key followed by 0 will force a new search. If these steps do not clear the error, the wireless module inside the meter might be damaged. Contact your local power company immediately to request a professional technician for a thorough hardware inspection.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.